गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुविष्णुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। श्री कृष्ण गोविंदाय नमो नमः। राधा कृष्णाय नमो नमः। शक्ति शिवाय नमो नमः। सीतारामाभ्यं नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण गोविंदाय नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण। As you all know, my dear viewers, myself, Jagannath Panda, spiritual motivational speaker, welcomes you on the beautiful topic of the Gita discussions. Now, I am in the last chapter, first part. So, let's discuss the chapter number 18, Ashtadasadhyaya, Arjuna Uvacha. संन्यासस्य महाबाहो तत्त्वमिच्छामि वेदितुम् त्यागस्य च हृषीकेश पृथक् केशिनिदूषण. Arjun said, O mighty arm Sri Krishna, O indweller of all, O slayer of Kesi, I wish to know severely the truth of sannyasa as also of tyaga. Sri Bhagavan uvacha काम्यानं कर्मणं न्यासं संन्यासं कवयो विदुः सर्वकर्म फलत्यागं प्राहुत्यागं विचक्षणः. Sri Bhagavan said, some sages understand sannyasa as the giving up all actions motivated by desire, and the wise declare that tyaga consists in relinquishing the fruit of all actions. त्याज्यं दोष विदत्येके कर्म प्राहुर्मनीषिणः यज्ञदान तप कर्म न त्याज्यमिति चापरे. Some wise men declare that all actions contain a measure of evil and are therefore worth giving up, while others say that acts of sacrifice, charity and penance are not to be given up. निश्चयं शृणु मे तत्र त्यागे वरतस्ततमा त्यागे हि पुरुष व्याघ्र त्रिविधः संप्रकीर्तितः. Of sannyasa and tyaga, first hear my conclusion on the subject of renunciation. Tyaga, Arjun. For renunciation, O tiger, among men has been declared to be of three kinds: sattvika, rajasika and tamasika. Yajnadana tapa karma natyajyam karyameva tat yajnodhanam tapassaiva pavanani manishinam. Acts of sacrifice, charity and penance are not worth giving up. They must be performed for sacrifice, charity and penance. All these are purifiers to the wise men. Itanyapi tu karmani sangam tyaktva phalani cha kartavyani me partha nishchitang mama matam uttamam. Hence these acts of sacrifice, charity and penance and all other acts of duty too must be performed without attachment and expectation of reward. This is my well considered and supreme verdict, Arjun. Niyatyasutta sannyasa karmano nopapadyate mohatyasya parityagas tamasah parikirtitah. Prohibited acts and those that are motivated by desire should no doubt be given up, but it is not advisable to abandon a prescribed duty. Such abandonment out of ignorance has been declared as tamasika. Dukkha mityeva jatkarma kaya kleshamavayate sakritya rajasantyagam naiva tyaga phalang lavet. Should anyone give up his duties for fear of physical strain, thinking that all actions are verily painful, practicing such rajasika form of renunciation, he does not reap the fruit of renunciation. Karya mityeva jatkarma niyatam kriyate arjuna sangam tyaktva phalam chaiva satyaga satviko matah. A prescribed duty which is performed simply because it has to be performed, giving up attachment and fruit, that alone has been recognized as the sattvika form of renunciation. Na dveshta kusalam karma kusalema nanusajjate त्यागी सत्वममाविष्ट समाविष्टो मेधावी chirna sansaya. He who has neither aversion for action leading to bondage nor attachment to that which is conducive to blessedness Imbued with the quality of goodness and has had all his doubts resolved, he is intelligent and a man of true enunciation. नहि देहभृता शक्यं त्यक्तु कर्मण्यशस्यतः जस्तु कर्म फलत्यागी सत्यागित्यभिधीयते. Since all actions cannot be given up in their entirely by anyone possessing a body, he alone who renounces the fruit of actions is called a man of renunciation. अनिष्टमिष्टं मिश्रं च त्रिविधं कर्मणा फलं भवत्यत्यागिनं प्रत्य न तु सन्यासिनं क्वचित्. Agreeable, disagreeable and mixed threefold indeed is the fruit that occurs after death from the actions of the unrenouncing, but there is a none whatsoever for those who have renounced. पंचैतानि महाबाहो कारणानि निबोध मे संख्ये कृतान्ते प्रोक्तामि सिद्धे सर्वकर्मणं. In the branch of learning known as Sankhya, which prescribes means for neutralizing all actions, the five factors have been mentioned as contributory to the accomplishment of all actions. Know them all from me, Arjuna. अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता करणं च पृथग्विधं विविधाश्च पृथक् पृथक्ष्टं दैवं चैवात्र पंचमं. The following are the factors operating towards the accomplishment of actions, that is, the body and the door, the organs of different kinds and the different functions of manifold kinds, and the fifth is Daiva, latencies of past actions. Sharira Vank Manovitya Karma Prarabdhi Naraha Nayang Va Viparitang Va Panchaite Tasya Hetavaha. These five are the contributory cause of whatever action, prescribed or prohibited, man performs with the mind, speech and body. Tatraivang sati kartaram atmanang kevalang tujah pasyatya kruta buddhitvarna na pasyati durmatihi. Notwithstanding this, however, he who, having an impure mind, regards the absolute taintless self alone as the doer, that man of a perverse understanding does not view aright. Jasya nahankruto bhavo buddhirjasya nalipyate hatvapi sa imalokanta hanti na nivadhyate. He whose mind is free from the sense of doership and whose reason is not affected by worldly objects and activities does not really kill, even having killed all these people, nor does any sign occur to him. Jnanam gyayam parijñāta trividha karma chodana karanam karma karteti trividha karma sangraha. The knower, knowledge and the object of knowledge, these three motivate action. Even so, the doer, the organs and activity, these are the three constituents of action. Jnanam karma cha karta cha tridhaiva guna vedatah prachyate guna sankhane yathavat shrunutannyapi. In the branch of knowledge dealing with the gunas or modes of prakriti, knowledge and action as well as the doer have been declared to be of three kinds according to the guna which predominates in each. Hear them too duly from me. Sarvabhutesu jainekam bhavamatyavam abhibhaktam vibhaktesu tadjnanam viddhi satvikam. That by which man perceives one imperishable divine existence as undivided and equally present in all individual beings, know that knowledge to be sattvika. Pruthaktvena tu jnanam nana bhavanya pruthakvidhan veti sarvesu bhutesu tadjnanam viddhi rajasam. The knowledge by which man cognizes many existence of various kinds as apart from one another in all beings, know that knowledge to be rajasika. Jatu Krishna Badexmin Karje Takta Mahitukam Anantartham Badalpancha Tatama Samudahutam Again, that knowledge which clings to one body as if it were the whole and which is irrational, has no real grasp of truth and is trivial, has been declared as tamasika. नियतं संगरहित मराग विशत कृतं अफल प्रेप्सुना कर्म यतस्त्विकमिच्छति. That action which is ordained by the scriptures and is not accompanied by the sense of doership and has been done without any attachment or aversion by one who seeks no return is called sattvika. जतो कम्मि चामेप्युना कर्म साहंकारण वा पुनः क्रियते बहुलायासं तद्राज समुदाहृतं. That action, however, which involves much strain and is performed by one who seeks enjoyments or by a man full of egoism, has been spoken of as rajasika. अनुबंधं क्षयं हिंसा मनापेक्ष्य च पौरुषं मोहादारभ्यते कर्म यततामसमुच्यते. That action which is undertaken through sheer ignorance without regard to consequences or loss to oneself, injury to others and one's own resourcefulness is declared as tamasika. मुक्त संगो नहंबादी धृत्युत्साह समच्युतः सिद्धि सिद्धो निर्विकारः कर्ता सात्विक उच्यते. Free from attachment, unegoistic, endowed with firmness and zeal, and unweighed by success and failure, such a doer is said to be sattvika. रागी कर्म फल प्रसलुब्धो हिंसात्मको शुचिः हर्षशोकान्वित कर्ता राजस परिकीर्तितः. The doer who is full of attachment, seeks the fruit of actions and is greedy, and who is oppressive by nature and of impure conduct, and who feels joy and sorrow, has been called rajasika. अयुक्तः प्रकृतः स्तब्धः शठो नैष्कृति कोलसः विषादि दीर्घसूत्री च कर्ता तामस उच्यते. Lacking pity and self-control, uncultured, arrogant, deceitful, inclined to rob others of their livelihood, slothful, despondent, and procrastinating, such a doer is called tamasika. बुद्धिर्वेदं धृतेस्सैव गुणतस्त्रिविधं शृणु प्रच्यमानमशेषेण पृथक्त्वेन धनञ्जय. Now here Arjun, the threefold division based on the predominance of each guna of understanding buddhi and firmness dhriti, which I shall explain in detail one by one. Prabhuting cha nibruting cha karyakari bhayabhai bandhang mukhyang cha jabeti buddhi sa partha sattviki. The intellect which correctly determines the paths of activity and renunciation, what ought to be done and what should not be done, what is fear and what is fearlessness, and what is bondage and what is liberation, that intellect is sattvic. Jayat dharmam dharmam adharma cha karyameva cha ajatha patra janati buddhing sa partharajasi. The intellect by which man does not truly perceive what is dharma and what is adharma, what is ought to be done and what should not be done, that intellect is rajasika. Adharma dharmamiti ja manyate tamasa prita sarvarthanye viparitascha buddhi sa parthatamasi. The intellect steeped in ignorance, which imagines even adharma to be dharma and sees all other things fervently, that intellect is tamasika. Arjun, धृत्या जया धारयति मनः प्राणेन्द्रिय क्रियाः योगिन्या विचारिणा धृति सा पार्थ सात्विकी. The unwavering perseverance by which man controls through the yoga of meditation the functions of the mind, the vital airs and senses, that firmness, Arjun, is sattvic. जयातु धर्म कामार्था धृत्या धारयते अर्जुन प्रसंगेन फलाकांक्षी धृति सा पार्थ राजसी. The perseverance, dhriti, however, by which the man seeking reward for his actions clutches with extreme fondness virtues, earthly possessions and worldly enjoyments, that preservance dhriti is said to be rajasik. Arjun, yatha swapnang bhayang shokang visadang madamev cha न विमुच्यति धूमेधा धूतिः सा पार्थ तामसी. The preservance dhriti by which an evil-minded person does not give up sleep, fear, anxiety, sorrow and vanity as well, that perseverance is tamasika. Sukhang tudaning trividang sunume bharatarsav abhyasa abhyasadramati tatra dukkhanang sa nigacchati yata dagre visamiva pariname mritopayang tasukang satvikang prakta matma buddhi prasadajang. None hear from me the threefold joy too, that in which the striver finds enjoyment through practice of adoration, meditation, and service to God, etc., and whereby he reaches the end of sorrow. Such a joy, though appearing as poison in the beginning, tastes like nectar in the end. Hence, that joy, born as it is of the placidity of mind brought about by meditation on God, had been declared as sattvic. Visayendriya sanjoga तद्दग्रे मृतोपमं परिणामे विषमीव तत्सुखं राजसंकृतं. The delight which ensues from the contact of the senses with their objects is eventually poison-like, though appearing at first as nectar. Hence it has been spoken of as rajasika. Jadagre chanubandhe cha sukhang mohanamaatmanah nidralasya pratha pramadutha tatama samudahrutam. That which is stupefies the self during its enjoyment as well as in the end, derived from sleep, indolence and a obstinate error. Such delight has been called tamasika. न तदस्ति पृथिव्यां वादिवे देवेषु वा पुनः सत्त्वं प्रकृतिर्जीमुक्तं यदेभिः क्षत्रिर्भिः गुणैः. There is no being on earth or in Akash or even among the gods or anywhere else who is free from the three gunas born of Prakriti. Brahmana Kshatriya Sang Sudranang Cha Parantapa Karmani Pravibhaktani Svabhava Prabhavi Gunehi. The duties of the Brahmanas, the Kshatriyas and the Vaisya as well as of the Sudras have been assigned according to their innate modes of Prakriti gunas. Arjun. समोदमा तपः शौचं क्षन्तिरार्जवमेव च ज्ञानं विज्ञानमस्तित्वं ब्रह्म कर्म स्वभावजं. Subjugations of the mind and senses, enduring hardship for the discharge of one's sacred obligations. External and internal purity, forgiving the faults of others, straightness of mind, senses and behavior, belief in the Vedas and other scriptures, God and life after death, etc., study and teaching of the Vedas and other scriptures, and realization of the truth relating to God, all these constitute the natural duties of a Brahman. Surjate jodhuti daksho juddhe chaptala dhanamishwara bhavasya sakhyatram karma sabhavajam. Heroism, majesty, firmness, diligence and dauntlessness in battle, bestowing gifts and lordliness, all these constitute the natural duty of a Kshatriya. Krusi goraksha vanijjang vaisya karma svabhajang paricharjatmakam karma sudrasyapi svabhajang. Agriculture, rearing of cows and honest trade of merchandise, these constitute the natural duty of a Vaisya, a member of the trading class, and service of the other classes is the natural duty even of a Sudra, a member of a lower class. So already we have discussed the first part of till verse number 44. After that we will start the chapter number 2. So my dear viewers, thank you for watching this beautiful Gita discussions, and I am really grateful to you because you are so much affections and love given towards me, because by pressing the bell button as well as giving your subscriptions and like towards this channel. Thank you so much and love you so much. Sarve bhavantu sukhina sarve santu niramaya sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kaschit dukkhavag bhavet.